Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can get dark mode on Snapchat in Android. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Play Store, and you simply need to update your Snapchat, and you simply need to open your Snapchat application. So once you open, you simply need to click on your profile picture on the top left, and then you need to click on the gear icon on the top right. Here you need to scroll down, and you simply need to scroll and click on I need help. So wait for a few seconds, and here you need to search for dark mode. Hit enter again, and here you can see how to enable dark mode on Snapchat. Click on that, and here you can see that dark mode is not available for Android at this time. So there is no option available in Snapchat as well that you can enable dark mode. So unfortunately in Android you are unable to do the dark mode of Snapchat. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.